Alrighty guys, in today's video with FlexiPRINT, we're going to be looking at the cloud feature located on the main toolbar. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za, and we make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're into the program here. Now, like I mentioned, today's video we're going to be looking at the cloud feature located on the main toolbar, and this is a nice feature if you want to get extra help or perhaps backup files and use it on your cloud base. So if I zoom in here, I'll just show you guys where it's located. So on the main toolbar, you'll see right at the end we've got two little cloud icons. The first one will show and hide the actual cloud page of our options available. You can see it on the right, and the second one will be actually to archive to cloud. So this is where I can actually upload things onto the cloud so I can use it later and so forth. Now on the actual cloud window, we have a few different options here. So we've got a files area, so we can manage our resources here, see our files we've uploaded, how much space we've got, and so forth, which is handy. If you want to go back, you simply click this little back button. Then we've got some reports, got some nice area for knowledge base. So if you want to, let's say, get more resources on actually how to use the program, this will also be a good alternative. Got some social links, and then we've got the licensing. So it's pretty straightforward. We might go in another video more into depth on how to use some of these features, because it is handy, and these days, as you know, most of the things are on the cloud, so it's definitely worthwhile knowing how these things work. But yeah, otherwise that is our cloud feature. It's handy to know that FlexiPRINT does have it, and it's mostly to get extra resources and manage files online. But in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.